And again, good evening, everyone. My name is Olaf Draman. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. I really appreciate you all for liking and posting or sharing or subscribing our tutorial video. Thank you for watching. So in this tutorial today, I'll be showing another tutorial video, which I'll be teaching you what they are calling a computer networking. So first of all, you need to download your app, that is your Cisco Parket tracer, that is tracker. So I've downloaded my own app, so you can try to download it on your phone and install it on your system. You can also download it with your system and install it. So I've opened it now, so I'm arranging my system. So just watch. I'm following my school computer lab to arrange my system. So I've arranged my system finish. So now I'm arranging my switch. So after that, I'll be arranging my router. So after that, I'll be linking them together. I'll be linking my system together with switch, together with router. So after that, I will now link my server. Just watch how I'm doing everything. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for loving us. I will be happy if you can drop a lot of comment, because I know most people will be thinking, how am I linking this together? If you don't understand this, just try to message us. Try to drop a comment that Abdurrahman or QTech, I never understand this sort of thing. So just try to drop a comment for us. Try to share our tutorial video for the others to learn from this computer networking. This is just the beginning of networking. So I'm just showing you how you can link things together. Before you set it on, like you are doing a practical here now on the system. So before you set it on your with yourself, as in before you set it at your lab to make everything to work perfectly. Truly, to learn a computer, to learn a networking is just something like a transmission of information, that is from a transmission of information and receiver of information over what? Over the internet through signal. So now I'll be doing my configuration, that is the IPA configuration for one system and another system. So I'll be linking them together. The first system I do the configuration, now I'm doing the configuration for the router. So just try to watch how I'm doing everything. So as I will be talking about, just continue watching. So in this in when you're talking about the networking, we have a lot of, let me say, you have two or three type of networking, which is area network and land network. So that is just it. Just try to watch us, try to subscribe. So thank you for watching. Hope you are getting how I'm linking the system together, how I'm doing the configuration. So I will do for configuration for all the things I'm using here, all the components I'm using. So I will do the configuration for the system, do the configuration for the router and the switch. So after that, I will be connecting it. I will be giving them
maybe like A or B. I'll be naming them A or B. So here I'm doing the IP address and subnet max. So after that, I'll now link them as a just like a Wi-Fi when you're connecting a hotspot with the Wi-Fi. So that is how I'll be linking them together like that. So um using the router and the switch. So I will name my system A and B. So just try to watch. So this one I will, I've copied this thing before. What I'm just doing here is, you can, if you are doing your own tutorial too, or if you are doing your own maybe you are learning on your own too, you can use the IP I'm using and the max I'm using. So just try to watch how I'm doing it. This is just the beginning of networking. You just need to try to understand. Just try to get the app and install and start working. Try to watch this tutorial to learn more about networking. Networking is not something hard, but if you take it hard, you will just be finding everything hard. So before you be talking about hacking, maybe hacking a system or hacking anything, you need to first learn networking before you start all that. Because if you don't know how network works, you can't work with hacking. So thanks for watching. Try to check on us. Drop a comment. I'll be happy if you drop a comment, and I'll be happy if you can try to subscribe and share our tutorial. So here I'm putting the the address, the IP address of each system. So I'll be dropping each IP address for the system. So try to watch. So after linking them together, so I'll put my server. So after the server, I'll now be linking my own laptop with the other system. This is desktop already. I'm using desktop. So after that, I'll now be linking my system, my laptop. I'll be linking them together too with the system. So I will now transmit the information on them and see how everything works. Thank you for watching. Try to subscribe, try to like, and try to share. Thank you once again. So here, I've linked them together, finish. So I'll be using the IP address to command the system, the desktop, to work on the switch and to work on the router. How I link them together. If you can see, if you check that link line, you see that something is moving. So I'm putting the IP address, I'm linking them together on this command pro. If you check a Cisco Parket, you will see this command pro because it used to be there, because it's a application, is an application software that used to be on Cisco Parket. So I'm linking them together now. So thanks. But make sure you watch it very well. Try to see. You may not see putting the command pro, commanding it to work perfectly. You can drop a comment. I will try to do everything. I will try to show you how I'm putting everything together. Thank you for watching. So after linking them together, so that is when I will be putting my server. When I've linked them together, so I'll be putting my server. So just try to watch.